Picking an accessibility tool isn't just about compliance. It's about deciding who actually gets to use your website. So, AccessiBe or UserWay for 2025? Let's dive in. Both are AI-powered, aiming to make your site work for everyone. AccessiBe is big on automation. It scans your site daily, fixing issues like missing alt text for images. Their iris tech is pretty sharp with complex visuals, and tweaking code behind the scenes. Think, set it and forget it. Their litigation support pledges go up to $20,000 on higher plans. UserWay also uses AI but puts more control in your visitors' hands with its widget. Users can adjust contrast, text size, spacing, and even use voice navigation. Their alt text generation is good, especially for simpler images. They offer a free basic widget if you're just starting, and their paid plans include a $10,000 litigation pledge. Now, pricing. AccessiBe bases its plans starting around $490 a year on monthly website visits. UserWay's similar starting price is based on monthly page views, so consider your traffic patterns carefully. Which one's for you? If you've got tons of images needing alt text and prefer a hands-off, automated approach with those higher financial litigation pledges, AccessiBe could be your match. But if you want more user-facing customization, a highly adaptable widget, and specific features like dyslexia-friendly fonts, UserWay shines, particularly if your site has many pages but more moderate traffic. Choosing isn't just a tech decision. It's about opening your digital doors wider. The goal is a web that works for all, and these tools are part of that journey.